Hi, Ben from LabStrong with a Rapids quick tip. In our Rapids basic operations video, we briefly covered how to scan the QR code that pops up when the Rapids displays certain notifications. We wanted to cover that process in just a little bit more detail. For our demonstration, we already have an example notification showing on our Rapids unit. Now every time a notification pops up, it'll follow the same basic format, with your notification summary and action steps towards the top, the QR code in the middle, the date and time of the notification along with the LabStrong official notification code, the notification icon in the top left, and of course, the back button in the top right. Scanning the QR code will take you to a landing page that will help you either 1, order the parts or accessories you need for your Rapids unit, 2, get you in contact with your distributor, or 3, get you more information. Scanning the QR code is an incredibly easy process. If you own an iPhone, you actually already have a QR code reader built into your camera app. It's as simple as opening up the camera app on your iPhone, pointing it at the screen, it'll register that QR code, a notification will pop up at the top. You can click on it, it'll take you to our LabStrong link landing page. If you have an Android device, the process is still incredibly easy. It just might vary depending on which smartphone you own. First, see if your phone has a built-in QR code reader by repeating the same process we just did with the iPhones. So simply open your camera app, point it at the QR code, and see if any notifications pop up. There we go with one at the bottom of the screen. We can view the website. It'll take us to our LabStrong link landing page. Now, if no notification pops up for you, you'll just need to return to your camera settings and activate Google Lens Suggestions. Then the next time you point your camera at the QR code, it should be able to read it no problem. In the case that those methods aren't working or you simply want a dedicated QR code reader app, the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store have plenty of free QR code reader apps that you can download for free. Finally, in the case that you don't have a smartphone or other device with the same functionality, you can always give us a call right here at LabStrong just by dialing the number on the screen. Just make sure you jot down that LabStrong official notification code in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. That way when you call us, we know exactly what notification we're talking about. In the case that you've already backed out of this notification and you're on the home screen, you can simply hit the notification icon at the top and it'll take you right back to your notification. And that's it for this Rapids quick tip. Thank you so much for watching. At LabStrong, we're committed to making your lab life easier. For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for additional help, contact the experts right here at LabStrong.